what the Macedonian people and the Macedonian government have decided are in this country's best interests. The United States stands with Macedonia. I don't think it's any surprise to anyone in this room that Russia is opposed to the path that Macedonia has chosen, will implement means that would try to undermine that, any means available that they can. We've seen that in other parts of Europe. We've seen that in U.S. elections, previously in 2016, for example. So that's not a surprise. But again, I want to emphasize it's the United States that's standing with Macedonia, with its courageous government, with the people of Macedonia, and we will assist others who are united in supporting this government in confronting and exposing Russian malign influence in Macedonia, elsewhere in this region, or in Europe or wherever, that seeks to undermine the legitimate democratic processes in governments that have made decisions in the interests of their people, as Macedonia has done here. We will stand with those governments. We will stand in opposition to that malign influence, do all we can to oppose it and expose it.